Imagine you're going to the shop and within minutes, your life is over. This is how a normal Friday night in Reiger Park turned into one of the most disturbing shooting incidents South Africa has seen recently. Four people would be dead. Two of them were young women and the other two were police officers. This is crazy. And what happened next would leave investigators with even more questions. This is the story of the Reiger Park 4 murders. It happened on the night of 7th August in Reiger Park on the East Rand. Two women, 27 years old Jaden Meckerman and 36-year-old Rolene Lessing, were reportedly out together when they were shot. According to the report, the two women had been going to buy firewood, and then gunshots rang. The two women were killed. But whoever was responsible wasn't finished as yet. Nearby were two members of the SAPS anti-gang unit, Constable Topelo Tlamotsane, who is 29, and Sipiwe Sibego, who is 28. These officers were part of a team deployed in Reiger Park because of the area's gang-related crime problems. When they heard the gunshot, they went towards it. And that's where this story takes a terrifying turn. The officers were reportedly ambushed. Both were shot and killed. Think about what had just happened. Two civilians had been murdered. Police officers had a gunshot, went to investigate, and ended up becoming victims themselves. This is crazy. And there was another shocking detail. The attackers allegedly took the officers' R5 rifles. So now, the police weren't just dealing with four murders. They were also dealing with stolen police firearms, in which that on its own is dangerous. The community was shaken, and police launched a major operation involving the Hawks, the anti-gang unit, and the flying squad, and the Ekurhuleni Metro Police. They were all out, gun blazing, looking for this breakthrough. Now, there came a breakthrough. A 23-year-old man, Regan Chancelin Collis, was arrested and appeared in the Boksburg Magistrate Court facing 4 murder charges, along with charges including attempted murder, robbery with aggravating circumstances, and possession of unlicensed firearm and ammunition. Police also recovered the 2 R5 rifles believed to have been taken from the slain officers. But then, the story became even more complicated. Police arrested a second suspect, a 24-year-old man named Jamal Meyer. Also faces 4 murder charges, and authorities have said the investigation is still continuing. But here's where you need to be careful. Being arrested doesn't mean someone is guilty, right? The accused still have to face the evidence in court, and there have also been reports questioning parts of the initial police version of that particular event. One report citing a source who said they had seen CCTV footage claimed that Collis may not have been the person who actually fired the shot. That version has not been established in court just yet, and police continue to investigate. So, right now, there are still pieces of the story that investigators are trying to put together. Who exactly planned this particular attack? Why were the 2 women targeted? Were the police officers deliberately lowered into an ambush? And how many people were actually involved? And that's very much important, because now we are looking at gang members, right? Because this wasn't simply like another shooting, guys. The victims included 2 women, and 2 police officers who had been sent into the area to fight exactly the kind of violence that eventually claimed their lives. The deaths have also had a huge impact on Reiger Park as a community, and police have appealed to residents to keep providing information. And there has been another development. Authorities have said they are not ruling out further arrests as the investigation continues. So this story isn't finished just yet. 4 people went out that particular Friday night. Others went to work. Others were just going to the shop. 2 families lost their daughters. Two families lost police officers, and an entire community was left asking, how did a night of gunfire turn into 4 deaths? For now, 2 suspects are before the courts. The investigation continues and more arrests have not been ruled out.